Welcome to Garment Pro ERP system. Today, I will show you a tutorial on how to return items from QC. In the previous demo, we had stocked, but 50 yards of fabric failed in QC. Therefore, we will create a purchase return to return the QC non-conforming item and automatically deduct accounts payable. Okay, let's start. Sign in into the system, and then click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. On the top of menu, click the block named Transactions. You will find that the purchase block. Click it, then click the purchase return to go to the order interface. Let's go to the first tab, Purchase Return, to select the quality control order number. Click here to select the order's supplier. And then click here and select the quality control order number. OK, go to the next tab, Material. And then click here to import all non-conforming items. You can see that the 50 yards of QC fail with cost price is imported. The next tab is Shipment. You can set a shipment here. The next tab is Reminders, but it's not available until an order is created. The next tab is Upload, where you can upload relevant documentation files related to the order. After that, we can save the order and get a new order number. Let's approve the order. Once an order is approved, it will be locked and returned the item. Since unqualified materials are not barcoded, they are shipped directly from the warehouse without scanning barcodes for confirmation. You can see that the red light is bright. That means the order is posted. Okay, let's preview the printout. This is the printout. Here, I do not describe the preview function. If you want no more detail, please find the video from information tag in the top right corner. Okay, let's go to account aging to view the balance of that supplier. Click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. On the top of menu, click the block named Financial. You will find that the aging block. Click it, then click the account payable to go to the report. Let's search the supplier. You can see that the amount from the goods receive order is 1000 renminbi. And refund amount is 100 renminbi. So there has remained the 900 renminbi balance for waiting settle. That is the end of tutorial. Thank you for your watching.